Welcome to the science of cooking. Today, I'm diving into the magic behind fluffy, delicious bread. Ever wondered why bread rises or how it gets that perfect airy texture? It's all about two key players, yeast and gluten. Let's break it down. First, meet yeast, a tiny single-celled fungus, usually Saccharomyces cerevisiae. When mixed with flour, water, and a pinch of warmth, yeast wakes up and gets to work. It's like a party in your dough. Yeast ferments sugars, breaking them down into carbon dioxide gas and ethanol. That carbon dioxide is the secret to making bread rise. But here's where things get interesting. Those carbon dioxide bubbles need somewhere to go. Enter gluten, the stretchy, elastic network formed by proteins in wheat flour. When you knead dough, you align these proteins, gliadin and glutenin, into a strong, flexible structure. Think of gluten as a net that traps those CO2 bubbles, letting the dough puff up like a balloon. The better the gluten development, the more CO2 it can hold. That's why kneading is so important. It strengthens the gluten network. In sourdough, a bubbly starter is critical too. Those bubbles show wild yeast and bacteria are fermenting like crazy, producing even more CO2 for a lofty rise and that tangy flavor. When you bake, the heat makes those trapped bubbles expand even more before the yeast dies and the dough sets. The result? A light, airy loaf with a crisp crust. Yeast provides the lift, gluten holds it together, and together they create bread perfection. So, if you want to bake great bread, remember yeast and gluten provide teamwork that makes the dream work.